Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature, and in this video we are going to discuss Chronicles from the Middle English period. Introduction. The Middle English period, spanning from the 12th century to 14th century, is renowned for its rich tapestry of verse chronicles. These chronicles are distinguished by their inventive storytelling and lively style, though they often feature incredible adventures that seem more like romances to modern readers. The poets of the time regarded them as historical accounts. The chronicles of this period can be broadly classified into several notable works, each reflecting the cultural and literary shifts of the time. Layamon's Brut. One of the most notable examples of verse chronicles from this period is Layamon's Brut, written around 1205 by Layamon, a monk of early kings in Worcestershire. This monumental work, consisting of approximately 16,000 long alliterative lines, narrates history of Britain from the landing of Bruts to the death of Cadwallader. The primary source of Layamon's Brut is the Roman De Brut by Weiss, which is itself a translation of Geoffrey of Monmouth's Historia Regum Britanniae into Norman French. Layamon's style is characterized by archaic vocabulary and a preservation of the poetic traditions of Old English poetry. He frequently uses epic formulas to sum up situations and incorporates similes to enhance this narrative. The alliterative meter is employed with considerable license, and there are instances where assonance and rhyme appear together, demonstrating Layamon's innovative use of language. Robert of Gloucester. Another significant figure in the realm of verse chronicles is Robert of Gloucester, known for his rhyming chronicle written towards the end of the 13th century. While internal evidence suggests that more than one author may have contributed to this work, it is certain that one was Robert, a monk of Gloucester. His chronicle draws heavily from the works of Geoffrey of Monmouth, William of Malmesbury, and other chronicles. Robert of Gloucester's work, though not particularly outstanding in literary merit, is noted for its impartial historical approach and genuine love for England. Arthur is the central heroic figure in his narrative. The chronicle is often lively and sincere, reflecting the patriotic sentiments of its author. Robert Manning of Brun. Robert Manning of Brun, born in Lincolnshire, is another prominent chronicler of the Middle English period. Connected with the Priory at Sempringham and later with Sixhill, Manning's most notable work is The Story of England, completed on May 25, 1338. This chronicle begins with Noah and the deluge and ends with the death of Edward I. The first part is a close translation of Weiss's Brut, while the second part is based on Pierre de Langtoft's Anglo-Norman Chronicle. Although The Story of England lacks originality, it is designed to entertain the unlearned and is written in Alexandrine couplets. The meter, unfortunately, is sometimes marred by internal and tailed rhyme, but despite these shortcomings, Manning's work is engaging and provides valuable insights into the historical narrative of England. In addition to The Story of England, Manning's other significant work is Handling Sign, commenced in 1303. Based on William of Waddington's Manual des Pêcheurs, this work is intended for common people and is written in 4 stressed lines in couplets. It is a series of stories illustrating various scenes enlivened by anecdotes that showcase Manning's keen sense of observation and impartial attitude. Conclusion. The chronicles of the Middle English period represent a vital link between historical narrative and poetic innovation. Works like Layamon's Brut Robert of Gloucester's Chronicle, and Robert Manning of Brunn's Story of England highlight the blend of old traditions and new influences that characterize this era. These chronicles not only serve as historical records but also as literary masterpieces that capture the imagination and cultural identity of medieval England. So this was the discussion on the Chronicles in the Middle English period. We will meet in the next video and take up some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.